For day 5, you're talking about the new heavens and the new earth. So for snack, you're having king's crowns, yellow or gold cups cut into a crown shape full of ice cream. The cups can be decorated with jewels or stickers. They're also having Petri critters, Petri dishes full of gummy worms or gummy bugs. For crafts that day, they're making Build-A-Bot pencil holders using empty soup can lids. The pre-prep for this is you want to cover the inside with duct tape so no pokey edges get the kids. The younger kids are going to decorate theirs with foam shapes and hole reinforcements. You can also do bits of ribbon, pipe cleaners, fun decorating supplies. For the bigger kids, they're going to use leftover nuts, bolts, washers, just miscellaneous hardware items. They're going to use glue dots to fix everything on their cans. So they'll just stick glue dots and decorate their pencil holders. For science, we are talking about in the new heavens and the new earth, there will be no natural disaster. So they're going to make a twister. You're going to take 2 bottles, fill one up with a little bit of water. You're going to put a washer in between and then electrical tape them together. Then you create a twister in a bottle. They're also going to discover the Brazil nut effect there's several options in the guide. There's a nut option and then several nut-free options. This is the nut-free option. The kids will layer the ingredients from largest. So there's cornflakes, raisins, chocolate chips, and oats. And when they layer them in, largest on the bottom, and they gently shake them, the kids can time to see how long it takes the larger items to come back to the top. And we're reminded that God is sovereign. He is in control of earthquakes and tornadoes. In the new heavens and new earth, there won't be any. That's day 5 of Time Lab VBS.